Si. Pangaturong lugod ka mo, pangaturong. Ay, nay, David, be, kumita ka?
Ato na rin nasa.
Ano naman?
Nakaturog.
Din.
Pusok ka mo.
Paluong.
Ito na.
Kung pasulod niyo.
Ay.
I'm not using any cream. Not yet. Not until I give birth. For now, I'm not using any cream. But I will after giving birth. Stretch marks remover. There's so many in TikTok. You can buy it. Thank you for sending the rose. Thank you. CL Boy. Thank you.
Ako nini, ako nini.
I'm gonna change first. See, it's my baby Bumpy. Baby Bumpy, 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 Baba Bumpy, Bumpy, Bumpy. Yeah, it's very, very hard. Very, very. It's twins. And it's gonna pop out 2 to 3 weeks from now. Hoping for a safe delivery. Safe. Thank you for sending Rose. I will later.
Skyler, ka naman na kumara?
Oh, my life is restricted. Kayo kasi.
Ano na po yung bukod? Mag-iya ba ako? Dadayot ko ni WhatsApp.
Body exposure. Bump exposure. Not a body exposure. Ito talaga TikTok. You're judgmental.
Where are you?
It's so. Thank you for sending Rose. For sending gifts. Oh, paso. Okay.
Ano bakit ito cute?
So hot. So hot. So. No, musik.
Linalo ko. Wala nalukot ako pa rin siya.
Yep.
Ito, dada.
So my body is so hot. Look. Oh. Yeah, it's the pure of my baby bump. Oh, thank you, CL Boy. Thank you. Now, guys, here. You really want to finish my stretch marks here. Yeah, it's my stretch marks. Just right here. Right here, it's my baby bump.
Clear.
Look at that bumpy bump.
Clear.
Yeah. Bumpy. That's why. Just
Clear.
thank you for the crown. Just keep sending. So very hard. Just wait, I just need to go to the CR. Wait guys, I just need to pee. I'll be back.